Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper on your Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to select the wallpaper setting, this one, tap on it. Then here you can change your lock screen wallpaper. You can select a wallpaper from your gallery. If you want to make your photo as your wallpaper, you can tap on the gallery. Then you can select a photo from my gallery right here. And you can also use the default wallpapers that have been available on your Android phone. You can tap on my wallpapers. And actually here I have downloaded some wallpapers and I'm just going to use the downloaded wallpapers. Okay, and I'm going to select this one, blue background white flower. Tap on the wallpaper. Then since we want to change our lock screen wallpaper, we can click on lock screen. Okay, just wait for a moment guys, it's still loading, and click on set on lock screen. Okay, hold on. Okay, and we can just go back to check it. Alright, and now as you can see that my lock screen wallpaper has been changed. Alright guys, and that's how we can change lock screen wallpaper on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.